Included in this 2021 XLE Blizzard Venza Hybrid, you have Safety Sense 2.0 with pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure assist, road sign assist, blind spot monitoring with front and rear parking assist, with auto braking, 5-door smart key system, push button start, safety and remote connect with a 1-year free trial, 19-inch alloy chrome wheels, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call at 334-272-7147. With the smart key locking system, you are able to lock and unlock all 4 of your doors. With the lines on the outside of the vehicle, you can lock the door, or you can unlock the door by putting your hand in and opening. And you have this on all 4 doors. With this vehicle, you also have remote start with your keys. So with your keys, we're going to push a total of 3 times. 1, 2, 3. On that 3rd one, we're going to hold and then let go.